First, choose the PNG of the image you want to convert to sketch. Then go to the threshold and clock on it. Increase the threshold level according to desired results. Then go to the burn tool and use it to highlight more details. Now go to the dodge tool and remove unnecessary blackness. Now go to Filter, then click on Sharpen Smart Sharpen. I am setting the amount on 331 and then click OK. Now select the background layer and threshold layer by pressing Ctrl, and then right-click and select Merge. And it's done. Here is an alternative website if you don't want to use Photoshop or are a non-designer. This website is called imageonline.co. Go to Pencil Sketch and upload an image. I am using the same butterfly that I used in Photoshop. Let's see the difference. As you can see, it's pretty good, but personally I like Photoshop results better. I hope you like my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.